Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Gocamptoo Folding Table, a versatile 4-foot indoor and outdoor heavy-duty portable dining table perfect for any occasion. With dimensions of 48 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and standing 29 inches tall, this table is crafted from premium quality plastic and thickened metal tubes, offering superior strength and durability with a weight capacity of 330 pounds. Its waterproof, scratch, and impact-resistant surface makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're hosting a picnic, party, or camping trip. The minimalist white design seamlessly blends into any setting, comfortably accommodating 2 to 6 people for dining, games, crafts, and more. Thanks to its foldable design, complete with a side lock and handle, this table is incredibly portable, allowing for easy transport and storage in compact spaces. Best of all, there's no assembly required, as it can be opened and folded in just a few seconds. Whether you're planning an outdoor cookout or an indoor event, the Gocamptoo Folding Table is your go-to solution for convenience and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.